It is a familiar routine. Your paycheck hits the bank account, and for a few hours you feel financially secure. Then the rent payment clears, the electricity bill triggers, you buy the week's groceries, and suddenly that payday excitement fades away. The money is gone, and you are left waiting for the cycle to start all over again. Think of a budget as a map for your paycheck. It tells your money where to go, so you don't have to wonder where it went at the end of the month. To build that map, we look at this diagram. This large block is your gross pay, the total amount you earn before anything is taken out. After the government takes its share for taxes, you are left with this smaller block, your net income. This is your actual take-home pay, and it is the only number used for our calculations. We can divide this take-home pay into 3 parts. This is the 50-30-20 rule. It splits your income into 3 clean slices, 50%, 30%, and 20%. By starting with this take-home number, you keep your expectations grounded. You are planning your life based on the money that actually hits your bank account, not the higher number on your contract. Half of your financial pie is for your survival needs. A need is something you literally cannot live without. If it disappeared tomorrow, it would cause massive disruption. This includes rent or mortgage, basic groceries, health insurance, and electricity. For example, if Sam takes home $4,000 a month, 50% is $2,000. That is the total Sam can spend on survival items. Capping these survival costs at exactly half of your income creates the breathing room you need to handle everything else in your life without stress. The next slice is 30% of your income. These are your wants, choices making life more enjoyable. Removing a want is annoying, but you survive without it. This includes streaming services, dining out, new clothes, or hobbies like flying drones. For Sam's $4,000 take-home pay, 30% equals $1,200. This is the monthly allowance for enjoyment and convenience. Problems start when categories blur together. If you treat daily takeout or expensive shopping as a need because you are used to it, that 30% slice swells until it bursts out of its container and eats into the money meant for your rent. Keeping a hard line between what you need to survive and what you buy for fun prevents your spending from growing faster than your income. The final 20% is for building your financial security. The first priority here is paying off expensive debt that grows larger the longer you wait, like credit card balances or student loans. After those debts are gone, this money goes toward an emergency fund. This is a stash of cash designed to completely cover 6 to 12 months of your basic living costs. We can see the target for Sam right here. Since Sam's survival needs cost $2,000 a month, a 6-month safety net is $12,000. A full year of protection would be $24,000. Once that safety net is built, this 20% is used for retirement savings. This ensures you have the money you need to live comfortably when you are older. This 20% acts as a buffer. If someone in the family loses a job, this fund covers the bills, so you don't have to go into debt just to keep the lights on. When we put the pie back together, Sam's $4,000 is working in harmony. $2,000 for survival, $1,200 for life's joys, and $800 for long-term security. This system gives you a set amount of guilt-free money. You can buy a new video game or a steak dinner, knowing that your rent is paid and your future is already being built. To start this yourself, look at your bank statement from last month and find the deposit line for your take-home pay. Write that number down. Calculate your 50, 30, and 20% targets. Then compare those numbers to where your money actually went last month. Managing money is a skill anyone can learn. It begins the moment you stop guessing and start giving every dollar a specific job to do.